Good morning, ma'am. My name is Karen Hamilton, and I'm gonna take your body temperature. Now I'm gonna use the tympanic and axillary temperature.
Ingay.
Can you help me to? Okay, thank you. And I'll do tympanic temperature. Your tympanic temperature is 37.0. And your axillary temperature is 36.9. That's all your body temperature, huh? Thank you.